Welcome to my channel Ganit Matrix. Here we are discussing non-exact differential equation method 2. So in the previous video we discussed non-exact differential equations and it is homogeneous, non-exact homogeneous differential equation. This is non-exact differential equation method 2, which is of the form y into f of x by dx plus x into g of x by dy equal to 0. And in this case, the integrating factor is 1 by mx minus yn. Same thing, a first order ordinary differential equation is of the form m dx plus n dy equal to 0 is said to be exact if dou m by dou y equal to dou n by dou x. And it is non-exact if the partial derivatives are not equal, dou m by dou y not equal to dou n by dou x. So to test the condition for exactness, first we identify m and n from the given equation, compute first order partial derivative dou m by dou y, next compute dou n by dou x, compare the result. That means if the both partial derivatives obtained from step 3 and step 4 are equal, then it is called exact equation. So integrating factor formula for the special form, this is the method 2, y f of x by dx plus x into g of x by dy equal to 0. So for the first term we take y common and the second term x common, right? M contains x, y as a factor and n contains x as a factor, and it must be non-exact, otherwise no integrating factor needed. So in this case the integrating factor is 1 by mx minus ny. That means we multiply m with x and n with y, subtract ny from mx and form the integrating factor 1 by mx minus ny. General algorithm for solving non-exact ODE f of xy form. Same thing, first we write the given equation in standard form, m dx plus n dy equal to 0, compute the first order partial derivative and compute the first order partial derivative dou n by dou x and test for exactness, right? So generally here it will be non-exact, right? Next, and then compute mx and ny, which is obtained by multiplying m with x and capital N with y. Compute mx minus yn and write the integrating factor 1 by mx minus yn, right? And 1 by mx minus yn, take it as mu, multiply by integrating factor. The new equation is mu m dx plus mu n dy equal to 0. Call this as m star and n star. Now verify the exactness, then it will be exact. Dou m star by dou y equal to dou n star by dou x. By checking this condition, it will becomes, the new equation becomes exact, right? And finally, for getting the general solution, we'll use this formula, integral m star dx plus integral terms in n star free from x dy equal to c. So first example, y into 1 plus xy dx plus x into 1 minus xy dy equal to 0. So our m is, the above equation is of the form m dx plus n dy equal to 0 and m contains y as a factor and n contains x as a factor. So this is second form. Expand m, right? Y into 1 plus xy, which is y plus xy square. Similarly expand n, x into 1 minus xy, which is x minus x square y. So next, find the partial derivatives. Since dou m by dou y is differentiation of y 1 plus with respect to y x constant, we write x as it is, differentiation of y square 2y, and n equal to x minus x square y, dou n by dou x equal to differentiation of x 1 minus with respect to x y constant, we write y as it is, differentiation of x square 2x. So dou m by dou y 1 plus 2xy, dou n by dou x 1 minus 2xy. Both are not equal, therefore the given equation is non-exact. And also the given equation is of the form f of xy form, y into f of xy dx plus x into g of xy dy. So we apply the integration factor formula mu equal to 1 by mx minus yn. For that we compute mx minus yn. So first multiply m with x, which is xy plus x square y square. Compute yn, which is obtained by multiplying y with capital N. So y into x minus x square y, which is xy minus x square y square. Now subtract mx minus yn equal to xy plus x square y square minus xy minus x square y square. Simplifying that, we will get 2x square y square. Right? Therefore our integrating factor formula is reciprocal of 1 mx minus yn, which is 1 by 2x square y square. Now multiply mu by the given equation. Right? So if you multiply mu with the original equation, so we will get simplify m star, right? So m star equal to y plus xy square by 2x square y square. So this is y by 2x square y square plus xy square by 2x square y square. Now simplifying y cancel, this is 1 by 2x square y plus, and simplifying this y square cancel, x cancel, 1 by 2x. N star equal to x minus x square y by 2x square y square, which is we divide individual term with 2x square y square, x by 2x square y square minus x square y by 2x square y square, which is 1 by 2x y square minus 1 by 2y. Next, check the condition for exactness. M star is this and n star is this. Dou m star by dou y equal to dou by dou y of 1 by 2x square y plus dou by dou y of 1 plus 1 by 2x. Since with respect to y x term constant, here the differentiation is 0 and here minus. So with respect to y x term constant, we write 1 by 2x square as it is, and differentiation of 1 by y minus 1 by y square, which is minus 1 by 2x square y square. We will do the same for dou n star by dou x. Dou n star is this. Dou n star by dou x means differentiate partially n star with respect to x, treating y constant. Since with respect to x y constant, the second term differentiation is 0, and here we will write 1 by 2y square as it is, because with respect to x y term constant, write 1 by 2y square as it is, differentiation of 1 by x minus 1 by x square, so that both partial derivatives are equal. Next, so the general solution is integral m star dx plus integral terms in n star free from x dy equal to c. Since m star dx equal to this, we integrate this keeping y constant. So the first term in m star is 1 by 2x square y, integrate that keeping y constant, right? We write 1 by 2y as it is, integration of 1 by x square minus 1 by x, which is minus 1 by 2xy. Similarly, integration of 1 by 2x is 1 by 2 constant, integration of 1 by x log x. So this is minus 1 by 2xy plus 1 by 2 log x. And the terms in n star free from x equal to only minus 1 by 2y only, because this is the only term which contains y. So integration of minus 1 by 2y, which is minus 1 by 2 log y. Yes. Now append integration of m star dx and append this step, integral n star terms in free from x dy. So then our final general solution is minus 1 by 2 xy plus 1 by 2 log x minus 1 by 2 log y equal to c. Same thing, minus 1 by 2 log xy, 1 by 2 log x minus 1 by 2 log y. And this is log a minus log b equal to log of a by b. So this becomes 1 by 2 log of x by y equal to c. Appending, so this is final solution is 1 by xy. Since multiply every term by minus 2, right? And the RHS becomes minus 2c, which we assume it as the constant c1. So this is the final solution is 1 by xy minus log xy x by y equal to c. And the worked example 2, y into 1 plus x square y square dx plus x into 1 minus x square y square dy equal to 0. So multiply m with, expand m by multiplying y. So this is 1 plus xy square, and the second term expand n with x, that means multiply with x, will get 1 minus xy square, right? And m contains y as a factor and n contains x as a factor, so we will apply the second form. And also we will apply the integrating factor 1 by mx minus yn. So this is, now compute that, expand m, this is y plus x square y cube, expand n, that means multiply n with expand n. So this is x into 1 minus x square y square, which is x minus x cube y square. To find the partial derivatives, dou m by dou y is 1 plus 3x square y square. Same thing here with respect to y, treat x as a constant. Differentiation of y 1 plus, and here we write y cube, x term as it is 3x x square, and differentiation of y cube 3y square. Similarly with respect to x, y constant, differentiation of x1 minus, and we write y term as it is y square, differentiation of x cube 3x square. Both are not equal, therefore the given equation is non-exact. So we compute mx and ny. Mx is this, xy plus x cube y cube, ny equal to xy minus x cube y cube. Now form the integrating factor 1 by mx minus ny, which is 1 by 2 x cube y cube. Multiply the integrating factor with m and n. So our new m star is 1 by 2 x cube y square plus 1 by 2x, and n star is 1 by 2 x square y cube minus 1 by 2y. Now form the new exact equation, 1 by 2 x cube y square plus 1 by 2x dx plus 1 by 2x square y cube minus 1 by 2y dy equal to 0, and check the condition for exactness. Same thing, dou m star by dou y equal to minus 1 by x cube y cube, and dou n star by dou x minus 1 by x cube y cube. So both partial derivatives are equal, therefore the new equation is exact. Now find the general solution, integral m star dx plus integral terms in n star free from x dy equal to c. So integral m star dx keeping y constant, right? So here y constant, integration of 1, see first we write the y term as it is 1 by 2y square, integration of 1 by x cube, which is minus 2 by integration of x power minus 3, which is x power minus 3 plus 1 by minus 2. So minus 1 by 2x square, which is minus 1 by 4x square y square. Integration of 1 by 2x, 1 by 2 log x. And the terms in n free from x is only minus 1 by 2y, integration of minus 1 by 2y minus 1 by 2 log y. Therefore the general solution is minus 1 by 4x square y square plus 1 by 2 log x minus 1 by 2 log y equal to c. This is the summary of both examples compared with the equations m and n the corresponding partial derivatives, right? How we compute the integrating factor mx minus ny and form the integrating factor 1 by mx minus ny, and this is the final general solutions. The last problem, solve xy sin xy plus cos xy into y dx plus xy sin xy minus cos xy into x dy equal to 0. So expand m, multiplying m with y, so this is xy square sin xy plus y cos xy dx plus, now multiply, expand n, right, multiply with x, so this is x square y sin xy minus x cos xy dy equal to 0. Since m contains y as a factor and n contains x as a factor, therefore this is non-exact method 2. Now we will compute the first order partial derivatives for checking the exactness of the equation. Same thing here, since with respect to y, y square is a variable term and sin xy which is a function of xy, we will apply product rule. Similarly we do for second one also. So this is first function sin xy into differentiation of second xy square plus xy square into dou by dou y of sin xy, right? And this is dou by dou y of xy square, which is 2x with respect to y, x constant we write x as it is, differentiation of y square 2y. So this is 2xy sin xy plus xy square dou by dou y of sin xy, because this is the composite function. So first we differentiate the outer function sin, differentiation of sin xy is cos xy, and again into dou by dou x of dou by dou y of xy, which is x. Dou by dou y of xy is x. So this is totally 2xy sin xy plus x square y square cos xy. The same thing here, also apply the product rule because y is variable term and cos xy is a function of xy, so we apply product rule. This is the product of two functions, y into cos xy. Same thing, first function into differentiation of second dou by dou y of cos xy plus second function cos xy into differentiation of first function dou by dou y of y. So this is differentiation of y1 cos xy plus y dou by dou y of cos xy. Same thing, differentiation of cos minus sin xy into dou by dou y of cos xy, which is dou by dou y of cos xy, which is minus sin xy. So this is cos xy minus xy sin xy. So term combining term 1 plus term 2, this is dou m by dou y is this. So dou m by dou y is finally xy sin xy plus x square y square cos xy plus cos xy. Similarly, we will compute dou n by dou x. So n equal to x square y sin xy minus x cos xy. Differentiate partially with respect to x, treating y as a constant. So dou by dou x of the first term x square y sin xy equal to, same thing, we will apply the product rule, right? And we will get 2xy sin xy plus x square y square cos xy. And differentiation of minus x cos xy minus cos xy plus xy sin xy. So dou n by dou x is 3xy sin xy plus x square y square cos xy minus cos xy. Since both partial derivatives are not equal, therefore the given equation is non-exact and it is also f of xy form. So we will compute the integrating factor. So compute mx minus yn. So x square y square sin xy plus xy cos xy minus x square y square sin xy minus xy cos xy. So what will you get? X square y square sin xy plus xy cos xy minus x square y square sin xy plus xy cos xy. So the first term and the third term will be cancelled. So we will get xy cos xy plus xy cos xy 2xy cos xy. So mx minus yn equal to 2xy cos xy, which is not equal to 0, and form the integrating factor mu equal to 1 by mx minus yn, which is 1 by 2xy cos xy. Now what we'll do with integrating factor? We'll multiply m with mu and n with mu and simplifying that. So after simplifying, m star equal to, since xy sin xy by 2x cos xy, which is, see, xx cancel and y sin xy by cos xy tan xy by 2. So y by 2 tan xy plus, and simplifying the second term, cos xy by 2x cos xy. So cos xy cos xy cancel and 1 by 2x. So y by 2 tan xy plus 1 by 2x. Similarly, multiply n with mu. That means divide each term with 2xy cos xy. We will get x by 2 tan xy minus 1 by 2 y. So the new exact equation is adding m star dx plus n star dy equal to 0. So this is the new exact. So check the verify the exactness of the new equation. So dou m star by dou y equal to dou by dou y of y by 2 tan xy. Same thing here, we are applying the product rule. So first function y by 2 into differentiation of second, differentiation of tan xy, differentiation of tan secant square xy, and dou by dou y of xy is x, plus second function tan xy, differentiation of y by 2 1 by 2. So this is 1 by 2 tan xy plus xy by 2 secant square xy. Now compute dou n star by dou x. Dou by dou x of x by 2 tan xy, same thing, we'll apply the product rule. Taking x by 2 first function, tan xy second function. First function x by 2, differentiation of tan xy. The same thing here, because this is a composite function, first we differentiate tan, next xy. Differentiation of tan xy secant square x secant square xy into dou by dou x of xy, which is y, plus second function tan xy dou by dou x of x by 2 1 by 2. So this is 1 by 2 tan xy plus xy by 2 secant square xy. Since both partial derivatives are equal, therefore the given equation is exact, and we will proceed to solve the general solution, integral m star dx plus terms in n star free from x dy equal to c. Now we will verify, we will check the terms in n star free from x. Since the terms in n star are this, x by 2 tan xy minus 1 by 2 y. Since x by 2 tan xy which contains x, therefore we exclude that. Minus 1 by 2 y, since it does not contain x, that means only y we include in n star. So integrate integral m star dx plus right, we'll include minus 1 by 2 y in the second term, because this is the only term, this is free from x. So f equal to integral m star dx, integral minus 1 by 2 y dy equal to c. Now integration of m star keeping y constant with respect to x. So the first term is y by 2 tan xy, integration of y by 2 tan xy, right? So y by 2 is constant term, since here y constant, right? Y by 2 constant term, integration of tan xy actually this is log of secant xy by dou by dou x of xy, which is y. So y cancel. So this is minus 1 by 2 log of cos xy on simplification. Now integrate the second term, integral 1 by 2 x dx, which is 1 by 2 log x. So integration of m star dx is minus 1 by 2 log cos xy plus 1 by 2 log x. Now integrate the second term, And the terms in n star free from x is minus 1 by 2y, integration of minus 1 by 2y, minus 1 by 2 log y. And this is the summary of both integrals. Adding that, we will get the solution minus 1 by 2 log cos xy plus 1 by 2 log x minus 1 by 2 log y equal to c. Multiplying throughout by minus 2. So we will get log cos xy minus log x plus log y equal to c1. Apply the logarithmic law, log a minus log b equal to log of, we will get log a minus log b plus log c equal to log of ac by b, which is log y cos xy by x equal to c1. Exponentiate both sides, right? So log x equal to t, so x equal to e power c. So y cos xy by x equal to cx is the final solution. Thank you.